channel. I would like to inform you about the Kerala State Counseling seat matrix about the medical colleges in Kerala. Government seat matrix of VDS, MBBS, BDS courses in self-financing medical dental colleges. This is the government order. As this is a government order, Health and Family Welfare Department Medical Education Academic admission to MBBS BDS courses in self-finance medical dental colleges seat matrix for the academic year 2020-21 pre-approved orders issued. College total seats, community seats, NRI up to 15% of total seats, open community, non-Keralite, all India quota, irrespective domicile, 15% of total seat, government seats as per reservation. Norms. First college, Amla Institute of Medical Science, total seats 50%. That's total seat 100 seats, 50 seats for community seats, 50%. Total seats 8 seats for open NRI, 7 seats for community NRI, and 35 seats for government. Jubilee Medical College, 100 seats, 50% for community, 8 seats for NRI and 7 seats for community NRI, and 35% for government. Pushpagiri Institute of Medical Science, 100 seats total, 50 seats for community seats, 7 seats for open NRI and 8 seats for community NRI, 0 seat for non-Kerala, and government seat 35 seats for government seat. Fourth, Shri Gokulam Medical College and Research Foundation, total seat 100, 23 seats for open NRI and 23 seats for non-Keralite, irrespective domicile, 15% total, and 100 seats for government quota. Shri Narayana Institute of Medical Science, total seat 100, 15 seats for open NRI, 15 seats for non-Keralite, irrespective quota, and 70 seats for government quota. DM Wayanad Institute of Medical Science, Wayanad, 150 seats total, 23 seats for open NRI and 22 seats for 15% non-Keralite, irrespective domicile, and 105 seats for government. PK Das Institute of Medical Science, 150 seats total, 22 seats for NRI, 23 seats for non-Keralite, irrespective quota, and 105 seats for government quota. Mount Zion Medical College, 50 seats for community and 8 seats for open NRI and 7 seats for community NRI, and 15 seats for non-Keralite, irrespective all India quota domicile, and 20 seat for government quota. Believers Church Medical College, total seat 100, 50 seat for community quota and 5 seat for open NRI and 10 seat for community NRI, and 15 seat for non-Keralite, 20 seat for government. Malkarna Orthodox Syrian Church Medical College, 100 seat total, 50 seat for community and 10 seat for open NRI and 5 seat for community NRI, and 35 seat for government. KMCT Medical College, 150 seat total, 60 seat for community, 23 seat for open NRI and 23 seat for non-Keralite, 15 quota irrespective all India quota, 44 seat for government. Al Azhar Medical College, total 150 seats, 22 seat for community NRI, 23 seat for non-Keralite irrespective domicile quota, and 105 seat for government. Malabar Medical College and Research Center Kozhikode, total seat 150, 22 seat open NRI quota, 23 seat non-Keralite irrespective quota, and 105 seat government quota. Travancore Medical College, Kollam, 150 seat total, 75 seat for community quota seat, 70 seat and 100 seat for open NRI, and 13 seats for community NRI, and 22 seats for non-Keralite irrespective domicile, 15% quota, and 30 seats for government. MES Medical College, Perinthalmana, 150 seat total, 75 seat for community, 23 seat for open NRI and 23 seats for irrespective non-Keralite, 15% quota, and 29 seats for government. Azizia Medical College, Science Medical, Azizia Institute of Medical Science and Research, Kollam, 100 seat total, 50% seat for community, 8 seats for open NRI, 7 seats for community NRI, and 15% for 15 seat for non-NRI, non-Keralite, 15% All India quota domicile, and 20 seat for government. And last, Dr. Somel Memorial CSI Medical College and Hospital, Karakonam, 100 seat total, 50 seat for community, and 15 seats in the absence of NRI Christian will be converted into open NRI, and 35 seats for government. So total seat in Kerala 2100, community for Keralite 610, total NRI open 237, community NRI total 79, and non-Keralite 15% irrespective quota is total domicile 242, and government seat 932 in self-finance medical colleges. So this is the PDF I can give you if you want about the Kerala State Medical College. So you be in this channel, like this channel, share this video, and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. This is my new channel, so future doctors, please support this channel for the latest update about the medical